Introducing the 2009 Smart 4.2. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for. The powertrain includes rear-wheel drive with a reliable engine that responds smoothly to its 5-speed automatic transmission. The anti-lock braking system will help deliver you safely to your destination. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Power door locks, power windows, and AM/FM stereo. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: passenger airbag, side airbag, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, low tire pressure warning, independent suspension. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.